So as we start rolling through silly season and people are moving, that guy right there, Enzo Lopes, if you apparently are following the rumors or believe the rumors, has been said from Steve Mathis to have signed or will be signing with Star Racing Yamaha. Recently, he's been racing for Club MX, so it would be the same bike, but with a little more factory swag and parts and everything on it. But I don't know if you have an opinion on this, if you think he's a good signing for the team. I know a lot of people last year were saying that he deserved a factory ride because he has been fast, but in the comments below, you tell me, do you think he deserves a factory ride? Are you happy if this is true, if everything is correct? Are you happy he's signing with Star? Or you wish he went somewhere else? Or maybe you're happy he would have stayed with Club MX? Whatever it is, comment down below. If I'm wrong and you know a different rumor about this, comment that too, because that's always helpful and fun. But comment down below as you're down there. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.